What's going on, guys? Club Aiden here, and today I got a Metal Sonic figure from the Sonic series, and I'm going to be unboxing it and hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so here he is. Here is Metal Sonic. He is my favorite character from the Sonic series. I actually have another one, but I can't find it, and his arm fell off, and he doesn't have like any movable things. So yeah, this is Metal Sonic, and yeah, he's pretty cool. I think that's pretty much it. Well, like I said, he has movable arms, and movable legs too. So now he can battle Sonic and Shadow. Cause I have a figure of Sonic and Shadow. So yeah, this was a short unboxing, but I don't really care. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, the short one. And yeah, bye guys.